Okay, we're on. All right. I've gotten a few emails from students who are trying, when they're trying to access, get to access ExpertTA from Canvas, this is what's happening. This is what they're seeing. They're going in. Now, this is from the instructor view, but it's the same thing. So let's go down here. This is my little ladybug is on. So let's pick this. So I'm going to pick this assignment. Turn on what? Going crazy. Oh yeah. So here we go, and it says load, load number 7. So we go here, click on it, and I get this. All right. Don't stop here. Just go. Oh, I know what this is. Hit continue, and there we go. And then you're on your way. All right. See, and mine's even loaded as student. So this is what you will get. Now let's just look at. I started this problem number 9. I was looking at. Oh, I love this because it's a mega electron, 26.5 times 10 to the 6 mega electron volts. That's also how many volts there are. Now, I can figure out how fast that thing is going through that cyclotron and figure out the radius of the path of the electron moving through there. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's take a look at down here. Here's the ladybug. 1.05 Teslas. Is that what it was? So the B field, B equals 1.05 Teslas. Let's make sure that's right. Yeah, and 26.5 mega electron volts. All right, so, and the energy, the kinetic energy of that is 26.5 mega electron volts. So we know the voltage is equal to 26.5 times 10 to the 6 volts. All right, and so we can also say, okay, well, Q, I need, this is the voltage. All right, I need the velocity. Because to get the radius, I know that QVB is equal to mv squared over r. Okay, and so to get the radius, I multiply both sides by r, and I get mv squared over QVB. And so this equals mv over QB gives me r. I need the velocity. I know the charge, it's a proton, and they gave me this, and I know the mass of the proton. So we got everything we need. The only thing we don't know is the velocity. So to get the velocity, I go, okay, well, the velocity, VEL, so you don't get all the V's mixed up, is equal to, well, I know that I got to turn this into joules. So I take 26.5 times 10 to the 6th mega electron volts times 1.6, times just electron volts, times 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 joules per electron volt. So the electron volts cancel, and I get my joules, my family joules. Where's my calculator? Oh, it's way over here. Gosh dang it, I haven't been prepared for anything all day. Okay, sorry. Let me grab this. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. All right. Oh, that's a nice view, too. That's a nice view of the calculator. So I've got 26.5 second e to the 6th times 1.6 second e to the negative 19. I could go O2 if I wanted, but whatever. 4.24 times to the negative 12 joules. 4.24 times 10 to the negative 12 joules is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So multiply that by, so you get 2 times the kinetic energy divided by the mass of a proton, which is 1.67 times 10 to the negative 27. Okay? And then take square root of all that, and you get V. So let's see if we can do all that. So 2 times second answer from before divided by 1.67 second e to the negative 27. Pretty big number. Looks like it might be greater than the speed of light, but what did I do? I haven't taken the square root of it yet. 7.1. Let's go with 7.13. 7.13 times 10 to the 7th meters per second. All right, so now we've got the velocity. So now all we've got to do is go, the radius then is equal to double parentheses. It looks like I've got the mass, which is 1.67 times 10 to the negative 27, times the velocity, which is 7.13 times 10 to the 7th. Close parentheses. See how I did the double parentheses there? And I'm also going to do it on the bottom. So I've got one big group up here, and then divided by one big group down here. So then I've got Q, which is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19. If this works, it'll be a miracle. I have not done this problem yet. Times 1.05. Close all that off. Let's type all that stuff in. This is so exciting. Well, there, I've already got my velocity vector. So let's go double parentheses, mass 1.67, second e to the negative 27. I'm already starting to see where there's ways you could do shortcuts. Second answer, put that in, close the parentheses, so that gives me that answer right there, divided by 1.6 second e to the negative 19, close, 1.05, double close, boom. That makes sense to me. 0.708. 0.708 meters. Y'all crazy, you think I'm going to put that answer, but I'm going to. In meters, okay, 0.708. 0.708. I rule. All right, cool beans, out here.